A very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to our GK class. 1 month before I have started this chapter 8. So let me revise it. Flowers galore. What is the meaning of galore here? Now galore means plentiful. Galore means plentiful. यानी ज़्यादातर इन फूलों को हम अपने आसपास देख पाते हैं. So I am reading the clues and by seeing the picture we will try to name this flower. The first one is a fragrant flower called champa in Hindi. It is used for making incense. इस फ्लावर को हिंदी में चंपा कहते हैं और इनकी खुशबुओं से अगरबत्तियां बनती हैं. So this name of the flower is frangipani. It is frangipani. Going to the next clue, let's see. Yeah, this flower is also known as moringa. We eat a long stick-like vegetable that grows on its plant. This flower is very common. We all have seen this. Near our school we have this tree. हिंदी में इस फल को सजना कहते हैं and in English it is drumstick. drumstick. Drumstick flower. Third one is a flower which grows on a huge tree that gives us shade. कौन से वृक्ष का फ्लावर है जो हमें छाया देती है? और इस छायादार वृक्ष के फूलों के नाम है गुलमोहर फ्लावर. FGULMOHAR. गुलमोहर फ्लावर. Moving to the next one. A beautiful flower poets write about. It closes in the night and grows mostly in mountainous region. कहाँ पाए जाते हैं फ्लावर? पहाड़ी इलाकों में. और हमारे कवियां इसकी खूबसूरती को अपने कविता में उल्लेख करते हैं. सो दिस फ्लावर इज कॉल्ड डैफोडिल. DAFFODIL. Moving to the next one. Yeah, fifth one. Small roundish flower that grows in bunches. They are pink, violet and even dark blue. Very colorful flower. Pink color में भी दिखते हैं, violet में भी, even dark blue. So this flower is pansy. 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 Now what is the sixth clue? A flower used as spice. It is also gives us oil. मसाले के रूप में फ्लावर यूज होते हैं जिसे लौंग कहते हैं हिंदी में, जिसकी तेल भी बनती है. एंड द नेम ऑफ दिस फ्लावर इज क्लोव. CLOVE. क्लोव फ्लावर. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट वन? This flower can be pink, purple or even white. It grows in huge bushes. We often see it growing on walls. हमने देखा है इन फूलों को, इन फूल के पेड़ों को जो दीवारों के आसपास गुच्छों में होती है. एंड दिस नेम ऑफ दिस फ्लावर इज बोगनविलिया. BOUGAINVILLEA. बोगनविलिया. Eighth one is a red flower or white used as tea. It is also used for decoration. You can see this flower. It is very common. या आसपास दिखाई भी देते हैं और हम इनका यूज पूजा में भी करते हैं. आई हैव नॉट यूज दिस फ्लावर एज टी. ओके चिल्ड्रन. एंड द नेम ऑफ दिस फ्लावर इज हिबिस्कस. HIBISCUS. हिबिस्कस. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट. टी व्हाट इज गिवन इन द बुक. या इट इज विज फैक्ट. What is it? Flowers such as sunflowers and daisies are composite flowers. They are made up of many tiny flowers that appear like a single flower. It is actually made up of tiny petals which makes single flower. I'll show you the image of that flower. You just see here, sunflower and daisy. इनकी कितनी सारी पंखुड़ियां हैं जो मिलके एक फ्लावर बन रही है. Okay children, you are clear now with this? Now we are moving to the next new chapter, that is my favorite books. These books are very interested book. These are for children. And the first character which is mentioned here, let me read the clue. Mowgli is brought up by a wolf pack. हमने देखा है मोगली वाला फिल्म, कार्टून फिल्म में काफी देखा है. एंड इस बुक का नाम है, द नेम ऑफ दिस बुक इज जंगल, द जंगल बुक, द जंगल बुक. सी द नेक्स्ट वन. A girl falls into a rabbit hole. We all have seen this cartoon also. What happens when the girl falls into rabbit hole? वो एक नई दुनिया में पहुंच जाती है. And the book name is Alice, ALICE', Alice Adventure in Wonderland. WONDER, Wonderland. Very wonderful land. Once you go, you will start imagining things. Moving to the next. A man travels to the land of tiny people. क्या होता है जब लिलीपुट की दुनिया में यह आदमी पहुंचता है, जिसका नाम है गलिवर. एंड द नेम ऑफ द बुक इज गलिवर्स ट्रैवल, TRAVEL. Our next clue is a mouse is adopted by a family. ये वाला फिल्म भी मैंने देखा है, where this little mouse has shown very adventurous things. और इसका नाम है स्टुअर्ट, STUART, स्टुअर्ट लिटिल, LITTLE. Fifth one, a bear whose best friend is a piglet. Piglet पिग के बच्चों को बोलते हैं, जो किसकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड थी? एक भालू की. एंड इस बुक का नाम क्या है? विन्नी, WINNIE, विन्नी द बुक, POOH. Now there is nothing in this, so moving to the next page. Sixth one, a spider is the heroine of this book. ये spider heroine है इस book की, and इसका नाम क्या है? The name of this spider is, let me change the things. Yeah, it is Charlotte's. The name of the book is given here, Charlotte's Web, CHARLOTTES, Charlotte's Web. मकड़े के जाले को वेब कहते हैं. Seventh clue is the little boy could fly but never grew up. Name of this book is, here the book name is not given, the character, the name is given here, Peter Pan, PA, Peter Pan. Okay, next clue is here. A 9-year-old girl lives with her pet monkey and pet horse in a little Swedish village, and this name of this girl is Pippi, PIPPI, Pippi Longstockings, LONGSTOCKINGS, Longstockings. Next one, a bear from darkest Peru moves in with a Next one is a bear from darkest Peru moves in with a family in London, and it is a bear called a bear BEAR called Paddington PADDINGTON Paddington. Next clue. A horse tells the story of its life, and the name is given here BLACK, Black Beauty, BEAUTY, Black Beauty. Okay, now see what is given here in this. This fact, a little pretty pocket book written by John Newbery is considered the first modern children's book. It is a mix of rhymes, pictures, stories and games. So this is a book which is having all these features, your rhymes, picture, stories and games. This is all about your GK, and believe me students, in this competitive world, along with your main subject, you should have strong general knowledge. So I hope you will update yourself and enjoy this character. You can take your parents' help if you wanted to see the character as video, and write down these names in your rough copy. Those who are having this book, they can write directly in their book only, and I hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you and have a nice day.